Before you commit to purchasing a new ESD floor, make the floor prove itself. In your space, under your conditions. Install a test patch. Put it in the center of the action. Stomp, scuff, spill chemicals on it, the way your team actually will. How much charge do you generate when you sit in a chair? Roll carts over the test patch. Do the wheels make contact with the conductive particles in the flooring material? Does the floor need to be buffed or scrubbed? Drive heavy equipment over it. Turn, twist, drive back and forth. Let the floor take a beating for a month or two and see what it looks like. Then retest for ESD compliance. If it passes inspection, you've found your floor. If the floor meets ESD standards, passes tests, and checks all the right boxes for your application, you've got an ESD floor you can rely on, now and for the life of your floor. To discuss your project or order a test patch, give us a call, 617-923-2000. We keep you grounded.